Imagine lifting a device into the sky that doesn't just record what you see from above, but transforms the way you experience the world, a device that turns ordinary landscapes into cinematic masterpieces, quiet moments into breathtaking visuals, and everyday places into scenes that feel larger than life. And that device is the DJI Air 4, a drone built for creators, travelers, filmmakers, storytellers, explorers, and dreamers across the USA who want more than just footage. They want emotion, depth, scale, and storytelling in every flight. And as you power it on, listening to the soft hum of the motors, feeling the anticipation build before takeoff, you realize this isn't just a drone. It's a flying camera that unlocks perspectives you've never seen before, angles that your eyes could never reach. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Views that make familiar places feel completely new, and in that moment, you understand why people fall in love with aerial filmmaking, why pilots say flying becomes addictive, and why the DJI Air 4 becomes more than a device. It becomes a creative partner that takes your imagination higher than ever before. The moment it rises into the air, smooth, stable, controlled, almost effortless, the world beneath you transforms. Streets turn into patterns, landscapes stretch into endless horizons, oceans shimmer like glass, mountains carve dramatic silhouettes into the sky, cities glow like living circuits at night, and every shot you capture feels cinematic, powerful, emotionally charged, as if the Air 4 doesn't just record visuals, but reveals stories hidden inside the world around you. As you guide it through the air, you feel an incredible balance of power and grace, the agility to move fast, change direction quickly, chase motion, trace paths through nature, yet the precision to hover perfectly still, framing moments with cinematic steadiness that makes every shot look like it belongs in a film. The camera delivers stunning clarity, deep contrast, rich colors, and incredible detail, capturing textures in buildings, waves in the ocean, light trails in the city, shadows stretching across fields at sunset, and when you review the footage, you see more than just video. You see atmosphere, mood, storytelling, and emotion woven into every frame. Whether you're filming coastal views along the shoreline, soaring above forests at golden hour, capturing wide-open desert vistas, flying over snowy mountain ridges, or exploring skyline views across American cities, the DJI Air 4 turns every environment into a visual journey, pulling viewers into the experience, making them feel as if they're flying right beside you. Creators across the USA love the DJI Air 4 because it adapts to every type of storytelling. Travel filmmakers capturing cinematic adventure scenes on the road, vloggers adding dramatic aerial sequences to their videos, real estate creators showcasing properties in ways ground cameras never could, landscape photographers revealing patterns and geometry from above, wedding filmmakers capturing emotional moments from the sky, outdoor explorers documenting hikes, lakes, trails, and travel memories, with beauty and scale that feels unforgettable. The flight controls feel natural and intuitive, giving you confidence whether you're a beginner taking your first flight or an experienced pilot pushing creative limits, and the stabilization delivers footage so smooth and fluid that even handheld cameras struggle to match it, turning everyday movement into cinematic motion that is pleasing to watch, calming, immersive, and visually powerful. And then there's the emotional side, the feeling of freedom as the drone rises higher, the rush of seeing the world from a bird's-eye view, the peaceful silence as you hover above a quiet lake or open valley, the sense of wonder when you watch the sunrise from the sky instead of the ground, and the sense of presence when you capture a place in its full scale, not just from one perspective, but from every angle.